And even when the president was having problems, spiritual, political troubles and turmoils, I was in Los Angeles when the higher 10 turned their back against her. And my broadcaster of DZAR in Manila called me. GMA will not last 1 hour in the palace. What can you say, Pastor, about this? You said she is appointed for this. I prayed. Almost immediately, the Father revealed to me. GMA was very sick. I was on the Malacanang in the vision. But then all of a sudden, De Castro came in. Noli De Castro came in and said, I will not leave you, President. I'll be at your side. That is the key I was looking for because they want to get De Castro to become the president. So if De Castro acceded to the request, then tapos na si GMA. But he came to Malacanang in this vision. So I was very happy. The next scene was, I was at the palace with Mayor, opening the other side of the door. I was opening the other side of the door. GMA came out. Healthy na siya. Then I called, and I had the pawn pots on my TV. They put my picture, and on the radio I said, don't worry, GMA will stay as president. That's how he got to stay. Because I know that's a mandate coming from the Almighty Father. So this is how I support Mayor.
On the side, right after that, I flew to Manila. Went to Malacanang. Tulog si ma'am. Hapon, mga alas 2. Umakyat ako lang. Ako lang mag-isa. She didn't call for me. Usually, natawag niya ako. Pero doon, ako nang sabi ko, ma'am, sabi niya, Rudy, and we talk about, yung dynamics. Then sabi ko, okay ka. Basta hang on. Basta ito lang sundin mo. And there are so many, well, maybe yung later on, tanungin mo, may advices rin ako sa kanya na hindi niya sinunod eh. Pero doon yung panahon na gumaganon, titering ang pumunta talaga sa kanya. And she's listening now. And she will tell you that I'm telling the truth. In all of her moments of niya, nandoon ako sa kanya. Eh kasi sinuportahan ko eh. Sabi ko, ma'am, basta ganito ang mangyari, ganito. Yung dynamic, sabi ko. Talk to her for about 30 minutes. Yung embroidery siguro si slept on an embroidered parang sa sofa kasi nag-ano dito eh, nag-mark yung doon, pumunta ako. Sabi ko, just hang on. Basta huwag kang mag-surrender. Pero I gave her the dynamics. Sabi ko, ganito.